Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
While accepting or rejecting tracked changes within a document most often removes all tracked changes, it is also beneficial to use the Document Inspector in Microsoft Word to review and inspect your legal documents for hidden data, hidden tracked changes, and other document metadata you do not want to send to clients or other parties. Before using the Document Inspector to remove hidden or personal data from a document in Word, ensure you save a copy of the document, as you may not be able to restore some of the types of data removed by the Document Inspector. This is very important to note. To run the Document Inspector in Word after saving a copy of the original document, open the document. Then click the File tab in the ribbon. Then click the Info command at the left side of the Backstage view. To the right, click the Check for Issues drop-down button. Then click the Inspect Document command in the drop-down menu that appears. In the Document Inspector dialog box that appears, select the checkboxes for the types of data you want the Document Inspector to find and remove from the document. Then click the Inspect button. Word then shows any hidden information for the selected categories in a results page. To remove all the data for the results shown in each category, click the Remove All button in that category. When finished, click the Close button in the Document Inspector dialog box. On a technical note, be aware if you choose to save your documents into the Open Document Text or .odf format, you must run the Document Inspector every time you save the document into that format to remove all the hidden data.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.